Ja. I have an LG refrigerator model LFX28978SD and the linear compressor does not work at all. I have replaced both boards and both capacitors and still does not turn compressor on, and after running the refrigerator I get a code error FS, which is freezer sensor, and when I check the main PCB board, it blinks 5 times and then stops and then 5 blinks again, and reading some repair codes it says replace compressor, and when I check compressor it reads between 6 to 8. So is the compressor bad?
Our chat has ended, but you can still continue to ask me questions here until you are satisfied with your answer. Come back to this page to view our conversation and any other new information. What happens now? Or, you can reply to me using the box below.
Ja. What compressor are interchangeable with the ones I have? Can you give me the numbers, and also can I put a compressor start kit on my compressor to see if it will start?
Expert, compressor part hash is TCA 34,649,901, price is $261 at SearsPartsDirect.com. The relay does not normally fail on this type of compressor. If you try to follow how to troubleshoot a compressor online with this type of compressor, it will not work. You can take the relay off the left side of the compressor and shake it. If it feels loose inside, then the relay may be bad. But, in all the years that I have been doing this, I have never seen this relay go bad yet. You can go to SearsPartsDirect.com, enter in the model hash you posted, and you will see a breakdown of your whole appliance. You can find tech location of every part, price, and order. Very easy. The relay does not come as a relay only, it is labeled as a harness, is pictured beside the compressor.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.